never going to try to bite you or do anything like that. He doesn't want to be right beside your face because then he can't balance, but if he is, he just leans away. Don't be tempted to pet him. Actually, be tempted as much as you want, just don't pet him. Your hand looks very like his foot, and that's his weapon. He does not know you, and so if you touch him, he won't fight with you, he won't do anything, he just won't come back to you when you let him go. He'll feel that you've threatened him. Okay, what was that?
Do you want me to answer the door?
I don't think it's the gate. It's not the gate.
Oh, the gate's open. You have a look on your face like the gate shouldn't be open.
Oh, sorry, I'm listening to the man.
Oh.
He's just got a really strong accent, that's why. That's my concentrating face. Irish people struggle with Irish accents too. Okay, so just don't pet him, but apart from that, you're fine. He is quite jumpy. It's like having a puppy on a leash. He can get quite excited, he'll flap his wings, he'll do whatever he wants to. He can turn around in circles, he can jump and fly around in a big circle around my glove. He's tied on, and that means there's nowhere for him to go. So I just keep my hand steady and he'll find his own way back. Raise up your glove and come straight to it. I must be the guys doing the construction work next door. So, your hand is closed. I'm going to just cock your thumb back a little bit. Perfect.
Sorry.
Look at the feathers all loosening up on his head. He's actually very relaxed.
Yeah, he's a nice bird. What's his name?
Fulver.
He's so cute.
It means autumn or fall in Irish. And that's how you spell it. That's where he sleeps at night. F-O-M-H-A-R.